In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working or missing on your Windows. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. Locate the Wi-Fi and then you have to make a right click and then select disable. Wait for some time. And then you have to make a right click and then you have to select enable. Now once enabled, you will see that this will be identifying for the connection on your Windows. Okay, and now this is identifying, and now I am connected to my network connection, and this is now showing on my Windows. Next method, make a right click at the start button, and then here you have to select device manager. Once the device manager window is open, you have to locate network adapters and locate your Wi-Fi or your network adapter. In case that you will find the downloading option right here, simply make a right click and then you have to select the enable option. Then you have to click on update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. You can choose the latest one. If you're having an error with the first one, choose the second one. Click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. Close all the windows. And as you can see, you will be reconnected into your connection. Okay, this is now connecting. For the last method, click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on network and internet. And then you have to scroll down and look for advanced network settings. Click on that. Under more settings, you'll find network reset. Click on that and click on the reset now button. Okay, click on the yes button and this will also restart your Windows, and make sure you remember your connection password because after restarting your Windows, you will be asked to enter your connection password again, and that's it. So as you can see, I am now connected right here. You just have to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.